I'll show you how to make this effect in CapCut. So just add your video to the timeline and then go to the text section, add in your text, resize it, and then let's just type here whatever you want. I'll type here nature. I'm gonna scale it, something like this, and I'll choose the font Montserrat for this. Now just copy the text layer by holding Alt key. Now change the color of text to the black. Add a stroke, make it white, and I'll make it smaller, something like this. So now make the compound clip, go to the video, remove BH, and select chroma key, select the black one. Now change the intensity, something like this. Now make the other compound clip, go to the video again, select mask, add new mask, split, something like this, and let's add a keyframe here, and a keyframe somewhere like here, or just something like here. So now it looks like this. Go to the animation and select type 1. Also expand the duration a bit, so it looks like this now.